Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to automate home lights with Alexa routines. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to automate your home lights with Alexa routines, you will need Alexa compatible smart bulbs, plugs or switches and Amazon Alexa app. Routines link these devices to triggers such as voice command, a schedule, or a motion sensor to create hand-free automated action. Now, you need to have compatible devices and an Alexa device as a prerequisites. And to set up Alexa routine for lights, open Alexa app. Tap on More on the bottom right of the screen and select Routines. Tap on the plus sign in the top right corner to create a new routine. Name the routine something descriptive, like evening lights or sunset lights, and tap Next. After this, tap When this happens and choose your trigger. You need to schedule, voice, smart home, or you need to link your lights with some creative names. After this, tap on Action and then tap on Enable. Once this is done, you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.